Try and try again, right? This is the poem here. Each and everyone should remember this. The summary of the poem is, the poem tells the story of King Bruce of Scotland, who became sad and hopeless after many failures. Like he was sitting alone and he was counting his mistakes. Okay, whatever the struggles he had faced and his failures, each and everything. One day while he was sitting alone, he noticed a spider where it was trying to climb to its web. The spider fell again and again, but it couldn't succeed. Almost first time it tried, it fell down. So like that, almost it has done total 9 attempts, but it couldn't succeed. The spider fell again and again, but it never gave up. After 9 failed attempts, it finally succeeded in reaching its web. Watching the spider inspired King Bruce actually. He realized that success comes through patience, courage. One should be very patient and should not give up at any time. He realized once again after watching the spider falling down after so many times, it again did the same thing. It did not give up at any time, it did not lose its hope, succeeded at the last time. Okay, so he realized that success comes only through patience, courage and repeated effort. So he got encouraged, he got inspired by the spider's determination. He decided to try once again and finally he succeeded. Okay, so what is the moral of the story here? What is the moral of the story? Story Saidarshan, come on.
Not give up till the success came.
Exactly, never give up. Repeated effort and determination lead to success. One should not give up at any time. Okay, understood?
Yes.
That thing you need to remember very carefully. It should be in your mind all the time. So the spider, it moved upward little by little, and at the final moment it made one brave quick jump, and finally it reached its home safely. In the same way, we are the ones who need to try again and again and should not give up, and at any time, at any cost, you are not supposed to give up. Understood? Got it, Saidarshan?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Good.